Today I am going to discuss the remaining signals. So we have already seen the classification of the signal. Now we are going to see the energy and power signal. So power and energy, they are interrelated. So once we are able to find the energy, we can find the power, or if it is power known for any signal, energy can be found very easily using the relation that power is energy by time. So in order to find the energy of the signal, this is the formula for a continuous signal. So limit t tends to infinity from minus t to t, that is the lower limit minus t, upper limit is t here, but t value is infinity, x of t magnitude square dt. So once we want to find this energy and then power means we have to divide that by time. So minus t to t, the total time is 2t, so it is divided by 2t. So these two formula can be used for finding the energy and power of signal. So any signal given to us, we can easily calculate the energy and power of signal. If the energy value is finite, then the signal is called as energy signal. If the power value is finite, then it is called as power signal. So here it is given about the energy and the power signal. So for energy signal, the energy will be finite, whereas power will be 0. But for power signal, power will be finite, but energy will be infinite. Okay. So here one example, with the help of one example it is described. The given signal is a e power minus at u of t. So if this signal, we are going to substitute in the formula, energy formula, and once we solve this integration, substitute the limit, it is seen that the energy value is coming as capital A square by 2a, which is a finite value. That means the energy is finite, so it is, hence it is an energy signal. Now if we want to calculate the power of this signal using the power formula, then if we substitute, solve the integration, substitute the value, the power is going to come as infinity. Power is going to come as 0, not infinity, it should be 0, because 1 by 2t, t is infinity, so a square by 2a into infinity. So that means a square by infinity, anything divided by infinity is 0, so power will be 0. Next, coming to the next variety of signal, which is called as even and odd signal. So when a signal will be called as even signal, when a signal will be called as odd signal, it is given here. X of t is the original signal. If x of t and its folded version or time reversed version, that is x of minus t, they both are equal, then we call that the signal as even signal. If x of t is equal to minus of x of minus t, or we can write that x of minus t equal to minus of xt, then it is called as odd signal. Okay. Similarly, the discrete version also can be given using this formula, we can easily find out. Now, one more thing is, any signal can be divided into even and odd part. So, in order to find the even part of the signal, the formula is used here as x of t plus x of minus t. So, the signal and its time reversed version divided by 2 will give the even part of the signal. And to find out the odd part of the signal, we are going to consider x of t, the original signal, minus the folded version of the signal, x of minus t divided by 2. So this can be shown here with the help of this example. So here a signal given, this is the original signal given. If we want to decompose the signal into its even and odd part, we can take this signal, just we can write the folded version of the signal. So as I already mentioned, the time folding will be with respect to the y-axis. So with respect to y-axis, whatever the samples are there on the right hand side, they will go to left side, and left side, whatever the samples present, they will come to the right side. So here this is the signal which is x of k given here. This is x of minus k, the folded version. Now if these two signals are added and divided by 2, their amplitude is divided by 2, we are going to get the signal which is called the even signal. And similarly, if we consider this x of k and subtract x of minus k from x of k and divide the amplitude by 2, we are going to get x naught, which is nothing but the odd version of the signal. Thank you. I think everything is clear. In first module, covered all the things. So all the topics in the first module, it is covered for this course, Signals and Systems.